already at the center of Pune's biggest murder investigation, is now facing fresh legal trouble. This time, not because of the murder case, but because of an FDA raid. So, what exactly did officials find at business owned by Sia Goel's father? Here is everything you need to know. The Food and Drug Administration (FDA) has conducted a surprise raid at BG Goel and Company, a business owned by Pravin Goel, the father of Sia Goel, in Pune's Market Yard area. The action was carried out under the supervision of FDA Commissioner Tukaram Munde as part of an inspection into alleged food safety violations. During a raid, officials found 4,172 kilograms of food products worth of 8.14 lakh. The stock included turmeric powder, soya mini chunks, and sesame seeds of different brands. According to the FDA, the products are suspected to be substandard or unsafe for the consumption. Samples have now been sent to a government laboratory for testing. The final legal action will depend on the reports, but that's not all. Officials also claim that the business was operating without a valid food license or mandatory registration, which is required under the Food Safety Standards Act. The FDA further alleged violations of food labeling norms and issued a stop business notice directing the establishment to halt operations until it complies with the law. The premises have not been sealed yet and the investigation is still ongoing. The development comes at a time when the Goel family is already under the spotlight. Pravin Goel, daughter Sia Goel, along with her boyfriend Chetan Chaudhary, is currently under the judicial custody in the connection with the Ketan Agarwal murder case. Police allege that Ketan Agarwal was pushed into, like we have been saying, he has been a tragic death that has been taken place on June 18th at Lohigad Fort, leading to his death. The investigation into the case is still underway. While the FDA raid is completely separate from the murder investigation, it has once again brought the Goel family into the public eye. The reports on the seized food samples are now awaited, and only after those results are received will the FDA decide the next course of legal action. Will the company or the business get seized or not? We need to see. Was this simply a routine food safety inspection, or will the lab reports uncover more serious violation? We will keep tracking every update, follow for the latest developments of this case. With camera person Palak, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.